Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to prepare a very delicious and easy chicken recipe, that is chicken dry fry. You can either call it as chicken dry roast. Come, let's get in and check out the ingredients. First, we have to make a simple marination. For that, I have taken 250 grams of chicken. I have washed it thrice with salt water. And then add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. I have coarsely grinded it, and half teaspoon of salt. Now mix this well. Make sure that all the pieces are coated well. And keep it aside for 20 to 25 minutes. If you're running out of time, you can just keep it for 5 minutes or you can prepare it immediately. Since we are preparing a dry roast, we are not using onion, tomato or any coconut paste here. We just have to dry roast some spices and make a fine powder out of it. Come, let's see. Here I have taken 5 to 6 dry red chilies, 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, half teaspoon of poppy seeds. It is optional but it gives good taste, try to add that, and 1 teaspoon of black peppercorns, and an inch of cinnamon, 4 to 5 cloves. Now let's dry roast them one by one. Keep flame on medium low, if not the spices will burn. That gives some bitter taste to a chicken. Now add coriander seeds and fry until it turns aromatic. Then add fennel seeds and fry till it is roasted. Then cinnamon and cloves. Now add dry red chilies. And peppercorns. And finally, poppy seeds. You can switch off the flame once when poppy seeds turns light brown in color. Now switch off the flame and transfer this to a plate and let it cool for 5 minutes. When it's cooled down completely, grind this into a fine powder. Now add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil in a kadai, and once the oil is heated, add curry leaves and then add marinated chicken. Mix it well. We need not to add any extra water for this recipe. The water that is released from chicken, that itself is enough to cook. If you are craving for something spicy, this is the best option I can say. Now cover and cook until the water is completely released from chicken. Mix well. Now add the ground spice powder and mix well. Keep flame on medium-low. Add salt if needed. In this stage, you can add just 2 tablespoons of water if necessary. Here I have not used any water. Keep stirring in between. Now cover this and cook for 7 more minutes. After 7 minutes, you can see the chicken is completely cooked now. Add fresh coriander leaves. It gives good flavor to our chicken. Mix it well. Our yummy and delicious chicken dry fry is ready to serve now. It hardly requires 15 to 20 minutes to prepare. It goes wonderful with rice rasam or rice sambar. Just give it a try, you'll definitely like it, and you start preparing it often. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.